Imeya yomkhandlu-dolobha waseGoli ithi idolobha alikwazi ukuba isizinda sezomnotho kuleli uma umasipala ungakwazi ukuhlinzeka zonke izakhamuzi ngogesi. Uthi ukubambisana neinkampani ezizimele eziphekha ugesi ikona okungasiza ukuxazulula ingqinamba yogesi.
Much of our revenue is generated through energy distribution in the city, and because of that fear, we've not allowed the private sector to come in and assist us. But the reality is that our ratepayers are becoming impatient with the city, and if we lose our ratepayers, we lose the revenue in any case. But also, Johannesburg is a city of golden opportunities. It is an economic hub, not only in South Africa, but on the African continent. And you cannot have an economic hub that does not have adequate, uninterrupted power supply.
Uthe intengo yogesi ephezulu kakhulu iholele ekutheni izakhamuzi ikhethe ukungawukhokheli.
I don't have to remind you of the tariff increases that have been imposed on the electricity end user, and it's well established that Eskom's price path is not sustainable for the end user, and we're seeing this with the culture of non-payment amongst some of our rate-paying areas. This has a devastating impact on our plans as a city, because without cost-effective and reliable power, our city economy is unable to realize its true potential.
Uphalatsi uthe ukubambisana neinkampani ezizimele ikona okuzosiza leli dolobha likwazi ukuqiniseka ukuthi likhiqiza amandla ogesi enele ngaphandle kokubheka ku-Eskom.
Our energy stance is premised on the sustainable energy strategy, which will introduce an energy mix which includes independent power producers and small-scale energy generators. Against this background, the city of Johannesburg is indeed entering the most exciting energy era in our history. It's exciting because indications are that the city is positioning itself to become more energy independent with less reliance on Eskom for our power needs.
Lengqungquthela isingathwa nje iEskom imemezele ukuthi isigaba sesibili sohlelo lokucishakonga ugesi sizoqhubeka isonto lonke.